up, Papa? I start the greatness. I start the greatness.
Start the greatness? What the hell? When was this?
Huh?
So when was this?
It's right now.
No shit.
It's a start the greatness. Look at this dude. Still on? You still on the phone?
Yeah, what you want?
You ready?
Yeah, and we gotta come back here?
Yep.
This is stupid.
No, it's not. It's content.
2. But he want me some extra shit.
Alright, man.
Follow behind him so he goes.
No, I want you to get in the car with me.
No.
Yes. You. Alright. Alright, guys. This is my 2006 Honda Civic EX. It's currently not insured, not registered, not nothing. But it is what it is, gang. Once you get your own money and you make your own purchase, nobody can tell you shit. You know? So yeah, this is my bitch right here. Cracking the windshield. You know, got a sunroof, flat tire and shit. You know?
Go put this in her.
This is my intro. So first small, how do you feel about this car?
It's stupid.
Okay, what else?
It's loud.
Okay, what else? One more. That's it. She's beautiful.
Okay.
She's.
You got a flat tire. You trying to drive with a flat tire?
You still show bitches. You still show a female love when her butt flat.
What?
You know. So yeah. You know. Hopefully this view in here. Yeah. It's not all wonky. Hopefully y'all can see me, hear me. You know. That bitch got 2 bars. She got 2 bars. Yeah, I gotta do this every time I wanna drive. And yeah, just bear with me. I gotta do all this extra shit. Alright, let's do it.
Oh God.
You can go ahead and make yourself comfortable. Cause it's gonna take a little minute. Running some crib. I was supposed to been doing this. You know, like it was supposed to be on my head, being ready, being loaded. I think my front went flat too. You know? So I'm still getting used to the GoPro, so I don't know how everything works. I don't know if I walk away from my phone, is it gonna start working? Or any of that. But yeah, we got the sunroof. You know, I like to go tilt. Huh? Better not be on that video? You are. There's a little walk around. Ain't nothing crazy. You know. Step in my grass. Yeah, I did the paint job. Whoa, spray paint. You know, cause I'm a broke boy. I don't got no money right now. You know. So yeah, I just been doing what I could do. Got these headlights from my friend. But everything how you see is how it came. Other than the color, it was all blue. Alright, this is gonna be the first time all dudes roll with me in this car. We got a cool 18. Got a cool little 18.
Oh, can you do this when we come back?
Huh?
Can you do this when we come back?
Yeah. See, Candy Mandy.
You are worth something.
looks nice. Alright, whatever. I'm just gonna have to look over the footage when I get back. Cause I can't watch it as I do it. But yeah, so are you scared? Are you?
No, it's my. I gotta clean my house.
I just need to come in here for a goddamn hair wrap or some shit. Hopefully it's less than $9, cause I just need something. When you in the and that shit only be a couple dollars. How y'all doing? I don't know what these hoes is.
You can get some lip gloss.
Okay, this is something special. These make a difference.
The Good Feet store is in Virginia Beach and Hilltop North, and in Newport News in the
Bro, am I tripping, bro? Like,
today.
shouldn't this shit be right here?
Are you ready to be a part of the solution?
Do y'all be feeling weird? Y'all coming to a hair store and you not a girl? You know, like, oh, these shit's tough. What the fuck?
When I fast back, I'll come back here.
I'm in the same boat with you, baby. I'm in the same boat.
Hey, do y'all have like the silk head wraps where you can put your head through?
Like the ninja mask? Or just a wrap?
How much? Kinda. These $9.99.
No, those are $6.99.
Okay, yeah, I'll just get this.
$7.41. Just tap it here.
I don't need no bag.
No bag? Thank
Appreciate
you,
it.
sir. Have a good day.
You too. Yeah, man. Yeah, we got the Nike ski. That nigga said the ninja mask. Damn. God damn. That nigga said, Mom, that nigga said, you want the ninja mask?
Why do you want that?
I don't want this, but this is the only thing they had.
What are you doing with that?
Put it over my head.
For what? For trying to steal something.
this just the beginning, man. This just the beginning of something. Yeah, this just the beginning of something that you know, that can be done. You know what I mean? You don't gotta be rich to have a good time. You don't gotta have a super fast car to make people smile. You know what I'm saying? Tire real quick. Shout out the A-Rad nigga, Ninja Bands. But yeah, man, y'all niggas stick around. It's a real slime channel, you know? A real slime. Sorry?
I'm trying to get out of this circle back here and get on the main drive. Do you know how to get on the main?
Yeah, you just go straight and then at that stop sign, make a left or a right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Whew, this stuff got me made.
All right, have a nice day.
Thank you.
I think you good. Yeah, man. This that shit, man. No other nigga out here fucking with me, man. You know? We about to go to my mom's house just to get ready for work. You know, when you, oh shit. When you go to work, you make the hoes twerk.
For real though.
It was never that funny. Never that funny. Alright, man. We out this hoe. My candy! Can't forget the candy. You can't forget the candy. Fucking with her cup down. Alright, I'm ready.